I'm gonna tell you how to make the most money selling your home. Last year, I bought a home in late summer. It was a fixer-upper. I bought it in Bothell for about $500,000. And I believe we were gonna sell it for roughly $850,000. And we put a couple $100,000 into it. And we listed the property in October, and we had to work the price down in November and December, and it finally sold. And I lost $20,000 on that house. If I would have held that home until spring and sold it, I would have made an extra $100,000 to $150,000. See, what happens is the springtime is the best time to sell your home because the snow goes away, the sun comes out, energy, everything follows the seasons. So if you want to sell your house for the most amount of money, when would now be the best time for you to do it? I own a real estate company. I've sold over 2,000 homes in the last 22 years. So I am a slow learner, I guess, when it comes to investing. I own a construction company. We develop, we buy homes, we build homes, we sell homes, we buy land. We work with the best lenders on the planet. We are truly a one-stop shop. So whatever your real estate goals are, if you're looking to buy a home or sell a home, we can help you. If you're buying a home, we can give you access to properties before they hit the market. If you're looking to sell a home, we can give you two options. One, what we can buy it for, and two, what we can list and sell it for. My team is absolutely amazing. And whatever your goals may be, I guarantee you, we'll help you get there. There's no problem I haven't seen that I have not been able to solve. Give me your problems and I'll solve it. So what I want you to do is send me a message here through Messenger, and we'll have a 5-minute phone call. There's no pressure, no cost, no obligation, no sales. No one wants to be sold, no commission breath. Whether you work with me or not, it's not gonna make a difference whether I could pay my mortgage payment, because we do quite a bit of volume. So reach out to me. I look forward to connecting with you and helping you move on to that brighter future. God bless you. Have a great day.